Hello, this is our kitchen and I am cooking supper. I'm giving you a circle view. There's Lisa. She is doing something, cooking something. I'm not too sure what.
My supper tonight at work. That's what I'm cooking.
Oh, okay.
Because there's not enough for leftovers.
Yeah, we're having what do you call it? Shredded hash browns and smokies and corn. Of course, not corn on the cob like we would like, but and then pot stickers.
Well, eventually there will be.
Yeah. So is everyone getting ready for planting garden? I've been outside turning the soil in our little hot box or garden boxes, and we put leaves in there last fall, so they did some good decomposing. So I mean the soil should be pretty good. Soil should be pretty good this year. We're gonna do a variety of things. I don't think we're gonna do as many squash as we did last year.
No.
That was a little much. But,
I want to do zucchini though, for sure.
Yeah, it's always a nice meal. And anyways, we're doing potatoes. I actually planted, I got some raspberry canes given to me, and last fall I planted them, and I'm hoping they made it through the winter. It looks like it. So I'm hoping that we can get a few berries this year. Whatever, be interesting to know what some of you are planting or thinking of planting in your garden and what your expectations are for your garden. And I think it's a great idea to grow your own stuff. Even there's a big movement on homesteading, and the homesteading movement, I think a lot of people think you buy a huge piece of property and bushland and you start clearing it. That's not necessarily what it means. You can actually start homesteading with just a little garden box or something that you're I don't know, maybe even with compost, starting a compost bin or something.
Yeah, look up urban homesteading.
Urban homesteading? Yeah.
You can get a lot of good ideas from there.
Yeah, we've been following that, and yeah, it's actually very, very interesting what people are doing to make their own food. Even people that live in town. Let's just turn this down a little bit. The corn. I should stir this here. Yeah, but it's interesting to see people all over the world what they're doing. Some people have flats, and they do garden boxes on the roof. There's all sorts of ideas a person can come up with. So it'd be interesting to learn a few ideas what you're thinking of. Well, I'm gonna let you go, and Lisa will leave you a message.
Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Sorry, I gotta do it because our son isn't here, so.
Okay, thank you. Talk to you later.